everybody, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. On this video, we're going to show you how to make some awesome bunnies for Easter. So, are you excited, Max? High five! Let's do it! Paw Patrols. Look at the birds! We found them! What color do you want?
Or this one or this one.
Which one?
This one or this one.
Okay, let's take both.
I take both.
Okay, the blue.
The blue
Do you want pink too?
and pink too.
Yeah.
And pink.
Let's get
Thank
the...
you.
Awesome.
I'm gonna take the pink bird.
Okay, you can take the pink bird.
I'm gonna open that one.
Okay, you gotta pay for the stuff first, Max.
Exactly.
Somebody throw it over there.
Whoa, Mama.
We gotta pay. Are you happy?
Having.
You ready to go make Easter
Yeah.
crafts?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna get started. Let's move your cup out of the way. So here's your plate.